You're taking the overgrown path.
Scenic route.
Yeah, there you go. Now where? Look out for animals, sometimes deer. Foxes and coyotes. Oh, be careful running through that. That's where the poison is.
It's not a river.
That's the creek. Let's go down this way. It's easier. Over here. But it's still steep, so you have to watch your foot placement.
And it's slippery too.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah.
There.
Got it?
Take your daddy a picture. He used to play down here all the time. Tell me where you're at again.
We're at the creek.
Yeah. Come over here. Yeah, that's okay. You got water.
Here it goes. I got up here.
Did you see anything?
No, not here. Oh! What is it? Ah! Stick. Come on, Patty Mae.
Get deep.
I don't want to go in the water because then I'll
That's
get
why
wet.
you need galoshes.
I'm in the water.
Oh. Oh.
That's okay. We put those on to come down.
Oh.
We put them on to come down here, huh, Bentley?
There's like a big thing in my shoe and then it's like, it was probably sticking in the one back out.
Find any treasure?
Where are you going, Patty Mae? I found treasure.
What'd you find?
I hung it up on this tree. I hung it up right here.
Where?
Right here. Right in front of you.
Let's swing on it. Oh, it's metal. We saw some over there too. You can make some.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. See this, Bentley? Let's count the leaves.
1, 2, 3.
Leave me be. Count that.
1, 2, 3.
Yep.
I got some bad news about that piece of metal, though.
What?
It was all wrapped up in poison ivy.
Oh, no.
How do you know that?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, because that's the way I found it.
1, 2, 3.
So anybody that touches it
What do you
has
do?
got poison ivy all over them.
Rinse your hand. Right here in the water.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, then we don't have to rinse your hands. Let's splash your hands. Careful.
It's like fell right in.
That'll work. My glasses. Whoa, whoa, whoa. crayfish.
We gotta see it. We gotta see it. It's not real if it's not on video.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look, look, look. You gotta record it. Look, 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 look.
Whoa! Show the video.
Pick him up. Let's see.
Pick it up. Let
What'd
me
you
see it
catch?
on
Oh, I
video.
got a crow one too.
Oh yeah, pick it up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
so we can see.
Pick it up.
Oh my gosh, fish.
Oh no, they're gonna die.
No, it's okay.
There you go.
Oh.
Congratulations, your first fish.
All right. What do you say to all the people out there? All right, this is your first interview. All right,
Oh,
I've got a
they're
couple
pretty.
questions for you. What did you first think about when you noticed that you caught fish?
That they're hard to get.
And the
Yep.
crayfish. See, that's a crayfish right there.
All right. All right. What do you tell all the people who work hard to try to catch fish?
And they swim fast.
Yep.
Wow, they're pretty. Oh, we should have brought a water bag.
Go get it. Go get one.
Are you two gonna stay here?
Go get one. Yeah. I want to see it. Go get one.
Okay, I'll be back.
Go fast.
Keep your son company. I'll run.
Okay. That means you got to keep them alive until she gets back.
Yep.
That means the interview's got to go longer. So, you know who's going to watch this video? All your friends, all your family, like mom and dad.
I catch fish.
Should we put this video on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it on YouTube so I can watch what I did.
Okay. So, I got more questions for you then. Okay. What advice would you give people who try to catch fish?
When you catch fish, you probably can eat them if they're big.
Yeah. Are those big enough to eat? No.
They're just really, really small.
Yeah, they're really small. But they're big enough to watch, right?
Yeah, but they're little teeny tiny fish. Can't see them,
Right.
so it's hard to catch them.
Yeah.
And I didn't even see them in the water. I just catched them randomly.
Yeah.
They went. Just gotta keep them in water so that way they just live.
Yeah.
If we put it like this, then the
Oh, they might swim out.
Yeah, but then we have to try to find them again.
Yeah. And is it easy to catch?
Nope.
Nope.
Well, in the nighttime it is.
Why is it easier at night?
Well, because they sleep.
Fish sleep?
Yeah. Well, their eyes just keep all open, but they're not paying attention.
Why would they sleep at night and not during the day?
Because during the day, some animals will be awake.
But some animals hunt at night. Right?
Yep.
So, whoa, don't let him swim out.
We still got two in here? Yep, we still have two. I think we still have the crawl one in here.
Oh, you put your butt in the water. Oh, there's nothing worse than a wet butt. Oh, now you got to deal with a wet butt. And a cold wet butt. Ugh. Oh, don't let the net's gonna fall.
I guess we still got two in there.
Yep. Oh, she's back.
Wait, is she?
I heard her. I see her.
Get it.
Hold it like this. No, don't catch it like this. Put your pinner hand there. Now put it in the back. Shake it.
There, good job.
Yeah.
What about the
now-
crayfish?
Those ones, I like to do this with crayfish. Look, don't lose your net. It'll go away. Ready? Okay, I'll hold this. You go do it again.
He's got a wet butt.
You got a wet butt?
Yeah, because I did this.
Oh, he did it again!
Do it again.
That's the trick. Oh, I just saw one next to the rock. Went underneath it.
Yep, they always run underneath it. Here, I'll move it. You scoot. If I move it like this, they're going to swim around. That'll be lucky. Look. It's heavy. You can move these littler ones like this.
That's the trick.
I was just going to move that one.
What's the trick, Grandpa?
They like to be underneath rocks, so you get up, you slowly go up to a rock, and you lift up the rock slowly,
Here's your one.
and then they're underneath the rock.
Do they just stay there?
They just stay there if you do it
Hello?
slow enough, and then.
Who's that? Hold on, Grandpa.
You want to see fish?
Look it. Where are we?
Fish? We're at the creek.
Yeah, let's
Ah!
just...
A fly!
What is it? What is it?
I got it. Oh, I got a fish!
Oh, you got a crayfish! Grandpa, you got a crayfish!
All right.
Here, let's bring it over here.
I got one!
You got a crayfish!
Give me water.
Here, you hold the bag. Let's show Mama first.
Look!
Look, Mom, sis. Can you see?
Wow! Let's put it in. Let's put it in.
Okay, you put it in.
Oh no.
Can you see?
There you go.
We got another crayfish.
He caught two
It's in.
crayfish and 2 fish.
And then a shell.
We're going to take them into the fish tank.
Yep, but first until I find more, because I want to find more. That looks like a bell.
Are you going to talk to Mom and sis?
Hi, Mom. Hi, Chanel. Hi.
It looks like you guys are watching a movie. It looks like you guys are watching a movie.
Oh, I found another crayfish.
Oh my goodness! Let me see.
Another one.
Oh, that one's a look-alike. It's a stick.
No, not that. No. See, this was moving.
Where?
That stick is moving.
The stick is
No,
moving.
not that. That.
Oh my gosh, it is!
It is a crayfish.
Look at this again.
It's a little baby.
It's a baby. Where'd it go?
That's right there. Put it in.
Okay, you put it. You put it in.
There you go. I got 3. You got 3 crayfish.
Yeah.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Zoe. Bye. I miss you. Bye.
All right. We're having fun. Okay. Bye.
Oh, I got another crayfish.
You're the crayfish man.
I got another one. Why am I getting crayfish so easy?
I don't know. You tell us.
What's the trick?
Yeah, what's the trick? Did you get it in? What is it?
What's the trick?
And a lightning bug.
What's the trick? Can you tell everybody on YouTube what the trick is?
The trick is
How do you do that?
me. Well, I don't know how I'm doing it, but I just do it. I don't know how I do it, but I just go for it and then I get it. I don't know how though.
Try that.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, I tried that and I'm not so good at it.
Alright. Now we need a knife.
Why?
What?
Why do we need a knife?
And a cutting board.
No, I don't want to cut them.
Why?
I don't want to.
Aren't you hungry?
No, I want to keep them in. I want to put them in the fish tanks.
Yeah, so that these fish can eat them.
No, I want to put them in a little one. I want to like a jar.
A little jar, they have to have oxygen. Moving water.
Yeah.
We probably should put a bubbler in with the fresh fish.
Yeah.
Because they need lots of oxygen.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to pick up a crayfish. Are you ready?
No, regular fish.
No, crayfish.
No, regular fish.
Hey, that's part of catching crayfish is you got to learn how to catch them or handle them.
And then the regular...
Okay. You comfortable?
Oh.
Okay. What are we going to do right now?
We're going to see how we pick up a fish.
What kind of fish?
I forgot the name already.
Crayfish.
Uh,
Sometimes called crawfish, crawdaddy, crabum, mudbug.
Mudbug?
Mudbug, some people call them mudbug. So what do we have in this blue bag?
Fish.
And
Fish, 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 fish.
and what else? Craw crabs. Yeah. All right.
If this falls.
All right. Don't worry about it. It's all good. It's all good. All right. So what I'll do is I'll pick up one and I'll show you how it's done. Okay?
What if it pinches?
That's okay. They're really, really small, so they're not gonna, even if they do pinch, they're not gonna hurt. Okay? So what you do is you see like this little guy right here? You see how they have a tail?
Yeah.
And then they have the pinchers?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to pick up the regular one.
What do you mean a regular one?
Fish.
Well, they swim a little bit. Right now we're gonna try to get the crayfish first, right? Okay.
Oh, you have to do it with 2 fingers and get it?
Well, I'll show you. What you do.
And they hide a lot too.
Yeah, they do. What you do is you put your fingers right behind the body like that, and you pick them up by the body, just like that.
I don't want them to die though.
No, that's okay. They'll live. But you see, when you pick them up by the body like this, they can't get their pinchers on you. And their little tail like that, they'll flick their tail quite a bit. But if you hold them with their body like this, then they can flip their tail all they want, but there's a good chance that you'll be able to hold on to them without dropping it. Now, sometimes you'll drop it, but most of the time you'll be able to hold on to it really good.
I'm going to try to pick up one. No!
What? No?
Stop.
What do you mean?
I'm trying to pick up one of these.
There, you did a good job. Now, if you hold it like that, it'll probably flip out, and you might even flip on the ground. So when you pick up a fish like that, you want to get your fingers around them like that so they can't flip out. Now you can't see them, but at least you got them protected. So if you flip them up like that, he'll flip out. See, just like that. Now the bad thing about holding a fish like that is they have a coating they put on their outside that protects them. And every time you pick them up, see how he's starting to float sideways?
Yep.
Every time you pick them up, you make that coating come off a little bit. And that hurts them. So that's why you don't really want to pick up fish like that. Okay? Not unless you absolutely have to, like when you're picking them up out of
Where's that bag?
the bag. Yeah. So what we do is we'll put a little bit of this water in here. because this water is the same temperature.
Is it cool?
Yeah, it's kind of cold. Put a little bit in there, not too much, because we want this water to turn the same temperature as the water that we're going to put into it. So if we put a whole bunch of water in it, it'll take a lot longer for this water to turn the same temperature as that water. But we put a little bit of water in it, and it'll turn temperature faster.
You're gonna crush one.
Yeah,
Other
that's
fish.
okay. They'll squirt them out. Let's see, we pick them up and we put them in there. They'll go in there. You want to grab the other one and put them in here?
Yeah.
He's right
Scoop
over
'em.
here,
Scoop them with your hand like a cup.
Oh, it's right here.
right there.
Scoop them like a hand, a cup hand. Oh, he's hiding over here. They're fast.
There he is, right there, right there.
Scoop it like a cup. Yeah, like that.
There you go.
Good.
Good job.
It was like swarming in my hand. I was
Yeah.
like,
Now, whatever you do, don't put
like
your
that little tiny one.
I'll tell you what, will make it easier. Like one of these small ones that the pinchers are too small to even get you. You know, like, see, he's pinching me, but it's too small, I can't even feel it. You want to try to pick him up?
Yeah.
Not with your hand like that, like I showed you, where you pick him up like this, with your fingers. What you do is you come up behind him, though, like that. It's okay.
It just feels weird.
I know, it's okay, though.
It just feels weird.
Yep, it's okay.
I just
Try it
wanted
again.
to be
Try it
alive,
again.
though.
Try it again.
Wait, just because you feel it. He's upside down like that.
Yeah, that's okay. There you go. There you go. Right behind him like this.
I just want to wait for him to stop moving.
No,
Because it stings.
it won't sting you.
These guys are little, they won't
Yeah.
hurt you.
They
I
won't
just
hurt
want to
you.
hold it in my hand.
Okay.
Yeah. See? You just kind of got to get used to it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here's a bug.
Whoa! He's trying to fall out.
Mm-hmm.
Put him back in the water.
Pinch you.
It's not the little
See,
ones.
they flip you. They flip their tail to try to get out of your grasp. You want to hold this guy?
Whoa! Water but his tail.
Yeah. And they do that to try to get you to drop. And sometimes they are able to.
Yeah. Because they're trying to scare you.
Well, not scare you, but they're trying to get you to drop them. And sometimes they can get you to, because they're slippery a little bit. So sometimes they slip out of your fingers.
Oh, I'm trying to.
But they
find
do
out
like
the-
darkness. That's okay.
I'm trying to get this little one. Well, that guy's just protecting it.
What? So you?
Is
There
it?
you go.
Yeah, it
you
was
could,
me.
you could handle this one, no problem, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
Aww.
You can pick that one up the normal way, huh?
Is that him?
Let's see what you got there.
Oh, this one, this one. Whoa. It's going backwards.
Yeah, that's what they do. Okay, you got him?
It's hanging on to
Alright,
me.
you ready for this one?
No!
Oh, what?
No!
Oh!
No. I just handled the little one.
You can handle the big one now, right?
No.
You go from the little one to the big one. You ready?
No, I'm
Yep.
not. What if it pinches me?
That's okay.
Let me see. What is it called?
I keep forgetting the name now.
Yes.
Crayfish.
Crayfish.
Mudbug. Crawdad. They're all the same.
There you go.
That's a fancy crawler.
There you go. That's
Whoa,
how you hold
yeah,
it.
there you
Here, hold it
go.
down so the camera can see you.
Yeah. Ooh.
There you go. Hold it so the camera can see you right there.
That's
Yeah.
the way.
Woohoo! Don't squeeze it to death, though.
I'm not going
Uh-oh.
to.
Don't rest like that.
Woohoo! Now you're ready for a big one.
No, I'm not.
Uh-oh.
No. Let me go. Touch my foot. You touch my foot too. There you go. I don't want to handle the big one. I just want to handle the little tiny ones.
How about a medium?
Yeah.
You ready for a medium?
But not for a big one though.
Here's a medium right here. Well, he's freaking out. That's a medium.
Is he going to crawl into my hand or is he just... Whoa. Whoa, he just went backwards because he wanted to go backwards.
Let me pick him up. You're making him pinch me. You're making him mad.
Wait, did it hurt though when he was pinching you?
No. No. You're holding them good now.
Yeah.
See, you're an expert.
Yeah.
Best thing is to hold them down to the ground, and then you can position your fingers just right. Yep.
Whoa. Just sit down.
There you go.
Oh. We caught a little fish. It's not a crayfish. It's a different fish. It's the ones that hop around. This one. There you go. Oh, you catch 3 of those in there.
Yeah.
Look.
Wow! This one's a beast.
And there's a crayfish in there too. That's a beast.
Need to.
Put in water. Put in a little water so I can catch it.
Oh,
There you go.
he caught a beast. What's that?
Need to show the camera now. I'm filming you. Yeah.
Let's go!
All right. Show me how you.
What'd you catch?
Show me how you handle these things.
It's like hiding like that.
What was it?
A crayfish.
You took that one out of Grandma's net, huh?
Yeah, so I can bring it over here.
Yeah.
Where is she? Okay.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yes. Yeah, because
We got a wet butt again.
we have a wet butt again. Got a wet ear now.
We got wet everything now.
Yeah. You're alright. Sometimes that happens. I almost did that earlier. water park side sounds good. I want to go to Nashville Shores. Dad's going to Naples. Sunday, he's flying out to Naples. Florida is like this pristine white sand, gorgeous.
There's something from over there.
Gorgeous beach. Yeah.
We're doing fish again.
Did you swap nets with Grandma?
Well, she gave it to me.
Whoa! Whoa!
Look at his fancy,
Whoa!
fancy fishing right
Yeah,
there.
that was close.
It jumped out on his arm. Can you even see me? It jumped out
I
on
see
his
the-
arm
I
and
see it.
caught
I see it.
Oh, look at it. It's so cute. Oh, cute.
It was like hanging on to the net. It made me almost run over.
All right, so now what are we gonna do? Are we gonna let these go so they can live another day, or are we gonna feed them to the fish?
I'm gonna give. Well, we still have to take the other ones and bring them over here.
What other ones?
The sun ones.
Oh, the sun ones in there in the tank?
Yep.
We could do that in the daytime.
Yeah, we'll do that in the daytime.
Oh, look at that big mosquito. But we probably, maybe we could look at our crayfish and go, oh, and if there's any that don't have a pincher, maybe it'll be okay to put in the little tank, but then put the rest of the crayfish back.
I'm gonna put these fish in the container too.
In the container? The
Yeah.
fish tank?
These ones.
Yeah, those ones can go in the big fish tank.
Yeah. Let's go put them in.
What about
Oh, this one's not
what
bad.
about the crayfish though?
We'll just let those get eaten.
What? Really?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat
Or
them?
just the big ones.
So we're gonna get the knife out.
No, we're just gonna let the fish eat them.
You're gonna leave the net.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna leave the
Oh
net.
my gosh, your special tool. You never leave a lucky net behind.
Well, this is
And your survival flashlight.
survival. It's not survival.
Yeah,
You hold
let's
this-
turn the
oh,
lights
you
off
hold-
and try to make it back to the house.
How can you hold the flashlight?
You can put it in your pocket.
Or if I put it in the net.
Yeah, there you go. There we go.
It's like we caught a flashlight. And then-
Now here's the trick with night. We are gonna take
I'm just trying to use it.
Gotta wait. Where's Grandpa?
No, I haven't yet. Okay, we gotta get the fish. Yeah.
Wait, why is this open?
Oh, because we had let the fish in here before.
Oh yeah, I want to get the big one first. Where's the big one?
There he is.
Oh my god. Ha ha ha. Oh my god. This is... Oh, he's right here next to me. Little ones are hard to get
Mm-hmm.
because they're really little. The bugs bit your neck? Yeah, look. We should have put the spray on. Ooh, that's a big thing.
Vampire bugs.
We don't want to put the
No,
crabs in here?
no, we don't want to put any more in the little tank.
That's enough for the little tank. All this is just gonna be enough. It's hard to get them because they're really fast.
Mm-hmm.
And it's when you lift it up, it just turns into dirty water. Ah. It's because there's a lot of crayfish now because I got some of the fish.
I'll tell you what. You hold this, and I got a trick. Don't let anything out of there.
Oh,
They need more water.
Hold on.
no, not yet until I wash it.
Oh, that's right.
Okay. You don't need to wash your hands yet. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Alright, no, stay back over there. Go back to the thing, and I need you to hold that really good. Don't let it go. And I'm gonna make it easier to catch the fish.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 of them in. Well, that
Actually,
goes to.
actually, one screws out on this. Let me put it in. Okay. A little bit easier here. So I'll take this. You can go back to trying to catch.
One right here. And one. And go. A lot of crayfish now. There's just 2 more left. Like that crayfish. I can't see because this one's just in the corners. It's right in the corners because that's where the other one is. But the water goes and there's an alley. You know what these fish are called though?
Minnows. Here.
Those?
Yeah, there's snub nose, snub nose.
This one's hard.
Snub nose something.
This one is over here. This little fellow.
Yeah. The last one.
And oh, this one's still gonna run. There we go.
You ready? Show the camera. Show the camera. Hold it up to the camera.
Oh, that guy's going for it.
Yeah.
That guy. Got him.
All right.
Ready.
All right, go for it. He's in.
Now you can go put these guys back to the creek.
All right.